Hello, everyone. When you go to nearpod.com, you actually have a little button right here that says log in. Usually I'm logged in automatically because I use it so oftenly. So if I go to my Nearpod, it directly sends me to my library. Some of you might go into your dashboard where it has like the library reports and things like that. You just have to be able to figure out where your library is at. Here, I wanted to kind of show you some features that I wasn't able to show in the training. If you go into lesson in Nearpod, you could actually upload directly your PowerPoint on here. You could just drag it in and all your slides from your PowerPoint will go into Nearpod. From there, you could go and custom your slide based on activities or you want to add in. You can't automatically do that when you upload the PowerPoint. You have to go in individually per slide and see what kind of activities or what kind of engagement you would like the student to be doing. Here, I wanted to kind of show you if you added a slide, you created everything on Nearpod. Here is content stuff. So for content stuff, you could add, it looks exactly just like a slideshow. And there's our feature. You just add text, things like that. I'm going to go back. If I go here, so let's take a look at all the features that is available to us. We have Nearpod 3D, stimulation. I use stimulation a lot for brain breaks or like a little pause because it's like a little mini game and it's still content focused. Like there's still mathematics, like fractions and things like that with area for my students. So I use this quite oftenly to kind of give them a little brain break from especially word problems. Then there is also field trip where you could take where we have done it in our meeting. Then we also have graphing calculator, BBC video, there's Sway that's connected to our Microsoft Office 365. There's a slideshow where you could embed a PowerPoint within a PowerPoint technically. We have video where you could just automatically link it up to YouTube or anything like that. Audio where you can automatically record yourself in your slide. And then we have PDF viewer where you don't want anybody to make any changes. And then you can also tweak on Twitter live. Adding web content, meaning that usually this is like the only option here. You want to add like articles that you want students to go into and read, or you want to direct them into like another set of activities. You could just directly add it on here and it'll open up as a new slide. It will tell the student click on it and it'll open up as a new tab. Then we also have our engagement part, this is kind of like what I use for my data, like how engaged my students is, along with I use it as how well they learn the content. And there is climb to the top. It's more like everyone kind of have a competition between each other. Open-ended questions. These are more reflective questions that I look at. Matching pairs, which is we did in the training. We have quiz. We also have draw it, where they could actually draw it on the screen. Collaborate, polls, fill in the blank, memory test, and those are all the activities that Nearpod provide. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to shoot me an email, come by my room, give me a call, let me know. I could always come by your room and help you out. I am here to help you and support you so you're successful and we all learn together. Another thing I do want to show you that I didn't get to show is the reports. I use this a lot based on engagement and based on reports, like they do a reflective questioning or things like that. So if you right off the back, like this lesson, I have 95% engagement, which they were like just based on the summary, like throughout the whole like activity we did. There was only 7 slides because we went from a lesson that they followed through and then they went into either iReady or Go Math and they practiced the skill on those websites. So these are actually available. I like to do it per section because it's easier to grade. So if you'd like to use this for grading, it's actually way easier to grade. Any other questions, let me know. Have a wonderful time and I hope you all enjoy this. Thank you.